Bagpipe maintenance. Keeping your pipes in tune. Hello everyone, welcome to our video on bagpipe maintenance. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of bagpipes, a unique and traditional musical instrument with a rich history. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, understanding how to maintain your bagpipes is crucial for their longevity and ensuring they produce the beautiful sound they're known for. Let's get started on this journey to keep your bagpipes in perfect condition. Bagpipes are a wind instrument with a distinct sound, primarily associated with Scotland but also found in various cultures around the world. They consist of a bag, which holds the air, a blowpipe for inflating the bag, and several pipes, including the chanter, for melody, and drones, for the harmonious background note. Understanding the parts of the bagpipe is the first step in proper maintenance. Maintaining your bagpipes involves a series of regular checks and tasks. Daily checks. After each use, ensure to remove moisture from the bag and drones. Use a clean, dry cloth to wipe down the chanter and drones to prevent moisture damage. Seasonal checks. Depending on your climate, you may need to adjust the reeds or the bag's seasoning to ensure the best sound quality and instrument health. High humidity or dry conditions can affect the bagpipe's materials. Storage. Always store your bagpipes in a cool, dry place. Avoid extreme temperatures and direct sunlight, which can damage the bag and the reeds. Bagpipes, like any instrument, can encounter issues. Here are a few common problems and how to address them. Leaky bag. If the bag leaks air, it's time to season it or, in some cases, replace it. Seasoning the bag helps to seal any small holes and maintain air tightness. Cracked reeds. Reeds can crack or warp over time. Regularly check and replace them as needed to ensure the quality of sound. Tuning troubles. Tuning can be affected by weather, the condition of the reeds, or even the bag's air pressure. Learning how to tune your bagpipes correctly is essential for good maintenance. Maintaining your bagpipes is a rewarding part of learning to play this unique instrument. With regular care and attention, your bagpipes can last a lifetime, producing the hauntingly beautiful sound they're known for. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey of playing and caring for your bagpipes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice regularly and enjoy the music you create.